Hello, this is Nevis and I'm in the Google document. Here I'm going to show the classes 4C and 4D how to carry out their task as set out in the Google Classroom. So this is a copy of what they see in the Google Classroom assignment task, and this is the document that I've created for every student to copy into their own drive, relabel it, and what I want you to do up here is actually write your surname in front, maybe the initial if it's different, if there are two of you with the same surname. Otherwise, just the surname, note your task, and then eliminate the class that's not yours. So in this case, just let's assume it's 4C and just leave it like that. That's what I want you to do. And then over here in the heading of the document, which is the header, I want you again to come over here and include the letter of your class and then put in your name and surname up here. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. The first page goes over there's an actual clipping of what you have in your textbook. Again, this is not a group task, but it is an individual task. Here are the instructions, and then on this document, you'll come to the second page where it's available for you to actually write, and this is where I want you to write on this part of the Google document and insert your writing piece. And then if you go down, you'll see that I've left space for you to put the links to images or references that you've used online if you have. Now I know some of you will be looking to use an image, so let's go and have a look at how I showed you how to take the image citation. So just here I am in Google Chrome or Google search, and what I did was I searched for images in Google, and I can just choose any one of these images at the moment. I'll choose this one, that'll do. And what I need to do now is, as soon as it's come into focus, and that looks like it's in focus now, I want to go and right click and click on copy image address. So that's the first thing that I want to do. Then I'll go over to the Google document and just say this is where I want to insert the image. What I will do next is click on insert and go to insert image, and then I'm going to use by URL here, paste. There it is, and that's the one that I do like, so I'm going to select it. Now, there it's coming on there. What I also want to do is make sure that I save that, and I'll write image 1 and paste. Now you can also right click and paste, or Control plus V is also another way to paste. Okay, so that once I do that, it's become an active link, and if I want, I can remove it or change it if that's the wrong one. Okay, so that's how I cite the images, and exactly, and then with the references, so just say I go here into Google again, and I want news. So just say I want to use this. All I need to do is go into the browser section, browser search bar, or the browser bar up the top, copy the address in the browser, go over to my document and Control V, and there it is. Okay, that's how simple it is. Once you've done that, what you need to do then is to share it. You can copy the link. What you will need to do is click on Can Edit, copy the link, done, and then actually add that in to the task in the Google Classroom, and then into your submission, right? And then click on Submit. Make sure that before you press Submit in the Google Classroom activity that you have completed your assignment and added it to the task. Okay, thank you and good luck with the assignment.